Well, g'day. Today we're going to be making cider, or at least juice, with my handmade medieval cider press. Used this last year, but this year I've made a few modifications to it, which if you've been watching my videos you would have seen that happening. The kids are getting all excited. We've got a lot of apples. The consensus was that we should get one bin, which is about 400 kilos of apples, but I've actually got 2 bins. We've had breakfast, and it's time to get cracking. Oh, look at that. So here's the spreader. It's gonna need a little bit of a spruce up before we use it. So you've got this set up so we can just wheel it across to the back of the press to load it?
Hopefully the workflow will be pretty good there.
But now we've got a gap.
Yeah, so we've got our in tray here. We want to just extend this board out so the apples can roll down.
Alright, well I've got a door.
Yeah.
Just need something to rest it on.
Sure, we can make a trestle or something.
Cool, got a plan.
Oh, you said go and prepared earlier. That'll be perfect.
That looks like one of those things from IKEA.
Actually, yeah.
This is my crossface. Right, is it going to work?
I don't know, let's find out.
See, that's fine, it's heaps of slope. Good, ready to go. I haven't tested the motor yet, so if this doesn't work, there's all sorts of trouble.
Should you take the plastic bag off the motor first?
Yeah, that'd be a good idea.
You're wasting juice!
Yeah, I am. Can someone else hold the trough? Can you hold the trough at this end? Right.
No apple fights! That's gotta go on the video.
What?
No apple fights.
I was getting the scoop and pulling it onto this side.
Hang on. Alright, James, can you lift your end?
That's good, alright. I'm never gonna say no to this. And then I'll say no to homemade juice.
Oh.
Four eggs on it.
Yeah, can I have one of those, please, Maureen? What about now? Is it flowing?
Yeah, it's glowing.
Alright, I need someone to pass me the big blocks of redwood.
Oh God, okay.
They're not that heavy.
So if you can get me 2. Yep.
Not heavy. My ass. Just not. I hope you got that.
Alright, what I'm going to do is when I let the pressure off the jack, the whole cheese is going to come up. The whole stack's going to come up. So what we've got to do is I've got to compress the jack, pull that out, and slide those across. So I will compress the jack. You will pull that out.
Yep.
You'll pass it to James.
Yep.
We'll then slide them together. The jack goes back.
Actually,
Daddy!
What?
Dad! Stop!
What?
Accidentally touched to the gecko!
Cole?
Right, pulling those out.
Come over here and show me.
Take out the middle.
push them together.
Come on, show me. Look, distracted by
That's a blind. Mom, could you
my baby Gafford.
to the gecko?
Yeah, hang on.
Video's no good, gotta go.
Oh well.
It's what?
Just booms. Disembodied head. Pretty good.
Watch, get the juice as it starts to flow. It's coming out my side.
Not coming out here.
It's not.
Yeah, it's starting to. Starting, I see it. There's a bubbling down the bottom there. Where? Yeah, here it comes. Oh, look. There he is.
Oh, that looks good. Where's my glass?
No, keep pumping, Stuart. No drinking on the job.
I'm not drinking, I'm just catching it.
Oh.
I'll drink it later.
Oh, you know what we should do? No, apple juice.
So are those bottom 2 cheeses the Lionville apples on the other side?
Yes. They are. So we closed up that barrel at the right time.
Oh, that's good.
Have you got enough hands?
I don't have enough hands, I've got to drink my drink. Oh,
You're wasting it!
that's what you were supposed to stop from happening.
Oh, it was my fault.
Yep.
Right. So that's ready to go. We can start loading.
Put a form on it and
Yes.
put a cloth on it.
Yes.
Well, we made a good mess of that cane last year. I think there's about as many apples there as we picked in the other on the platform.
There's one more pressing in that.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Oh, you do that casually tomorrow.
Are we filling this cheese is what I'm asking, because it's just about.
I think we're done. Well, that worked out well in the end. See, if
See, it would have been an easy day if we'd just had one box. There would have been a very strong sense of achievement.
there's still a strong sense of achievement.
No, completion
No?
is pretty cool, really.
Oh, well then come back tomorrow.
Send Rose to school on the train in the morning.
There you go. There's a train that'll get her there in time. Yeah. No, I wanted to because I wanted to do a barrel.
So how?
Bit easier, isn't it? Bit easier, isn't it?
It's been a full day. It's always been a full day. It's just we get more juice at the
Yeah.
end of our full day.
But it's only really been half a day. 2/3 of a day. No, half a day.
You have to include all of the setup, Stuart. You just have to. It's been all day. Like, we started on it. We started cleaning bits of wood and getting it all.
Yeah. No. Because the spec for this equipment was that we could do in a weekend what it used to take multiple weekends to do. And so we've almost done it in one day. So yeah. I'm happy.